Heat pump versus gas furnace. Why California homeowners should switch before new gas rules. Why this decision matters now. If you're trying to decide between a heat pump versus gas furnace, this is no longer just about comfort and energy bills with new gas restriction, rising furnace replacement demand, and major rebates available right now. This decision could impact your home for next 15-20 years. So today we're breaking down cost, efficiency, performance, safety, long-term regulations, and which system makes the most sense moving forward. First, let's define the two systems. A gas furnace burns natural gas to create heat and pushes warm air through your ductwork. A heat pump uses electricity to move heat instead of creating it. In winter, it pulls the heat from outside and moves it inside. In summer, it works like an air conditioner. Here's where things start to be very different. A high-efficiency gas furnace runs around 90 up to 98% annual fuel utilization efficiency. That means almost the fuel it burns turns into heat, but the heat pump doesn't burn the fuel at all. It moves the heat, and because of that, it can deliver 200-300% efficiency under the right conditions. That means for every dollar for electricity you use, you can get $2-3 worth of heat. In moderate climates, heat pumps are often cheaper to operate long term. In very cold climates, you may need backup heat source, but newer cold climate heat pumps are performing better than ever. Now let's talk about installation costs. A gas furnace replacement typically costs less upfront, especially if your home already have gas line and venting. A heat pump system costs more initially, particularly if you're converting from the gas to all electric. But, and this is important, there are major incentives available right now. Local utility rebate and various state programs can significantly reduce the cost of the heat pump installation. In some cases, homeowners are saving thousands. And those incentives won't always be this strong. That's part of why we're seeing more homeowners switch now. This is the most important part of the conversation. Many states and municipalities are introducing restrictions on new gas appliances in new construction. Gas infrastructure costs are rising, regulations are tightening, and we are seeing increased demand for electric systems. While existing gas furnaces are not being banned overnight, long-term policy is clearly shifting toward electrification. That means potentially higher gas costs over time, more demand for furnace replacements, and fewer incentives for gas systems compared to electric heat pumps. For many homeowners, switching from a gas furnace to a heat pump is becoming the safer long-term option. Not because gas systems don't work, they absolutely do, but because the energy landscape is changing. A gas furnace burns fuel. That means combustion, exhaust, and carbon monoxide risk if not properly maintained. A heat pump uses no combustion at all. That eliminates gas leaks, carbon monoxide concerns, flue, venting issues. For families thinking long-term about safety and indoor air quality, that's a big factor. Traditionally, gas furnaces had the edge in extremely cold weather, but today's inverter-driven heat pumps can operate effectively in temperatures well below freezing. Some homeowners install a dual-fuel system, heat pumps for most of the year, gas furnace only when temperatures drop very low. The right answer really depends on your climate, your home, and your long-term goals. Operating costs depend on local gas prices, electricity rates, insulation, climate zone. In areas with high gas prices and moderate winters, heat pumps often win long-term. In extremely cold climates with cheap natural gas, furnaces may still be competitive. This is why we always run a home-specific load calculation before recommending a system. Heat pumps might be best if you want long-term protection from gas restrictions, you want available rebates, you are planning to stay in your home more than 10 years. If you want an all-electric home, you prioritize safety and lower emissions, gas furnace might make sense. If You live in extreme cold, you have very low natural gas rates, you need the lowest upfront costs. If you are replacing an aging gas furnace today, this is the moment to seriously consider a heat pump. With the rising demand, changing regulations, and strong incentives available right now, switching is becoming the smarter long-term investment for many homeowners. But the right choice depends on your home, not just the headlines. If you're trying to decide between a heat pump versus gas furnace, schedule a free estimate with Fuse Service. We will evaluate your home, your utility rates, and your goals, and give you a clear, no-pressure recommendation. Click the link below or give us a call today.